Hello everybody, hello friends, my name is Jared and welcome to another weekend. Welcome to another Saturday where in this channel, every Saturday is the Christmas day because we get to unbox another purchase that we've made throughout the week. And I hope that you enjoy this type of videos because as much as I enjoy buying, I also enjoy opening them up together with you all. We have quite a heavy package to open today. This is not a box, but this is actually one big purchase that I have made. I don't quite remember what is in this package, but on the top of my head, I believe there is a candle in this purchase. So I am excited for that. Now, before we go ahead and open up this package, if you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing to this channel so that we could grow this community together and we could do more of this unboxing. If you're a subscriber and a returning viewer, as I've said, welcome back. So yeah, I am excited for Saturdays, not only because we get to do this, but I can tell you some stories that we could share while we do this unboxing. So I hope you all are excited as much as I am. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this package that I received earlier this week. If you have, well, of course, you've seen the first few minutes of this video. So we were actually wanting to buy food for dinner, but then one thing led to another, and first we were thinking actually of buying some barbecue, perhaps just for tonight's dinner. But then, as I've said, so we first went to Pearl. So for everybody who is in Cebu and who knows Pearl Meat Shop, that is where we buy our kimchi. They have the best kimchi in the metro. So, well, I know for a fact that some of my friends enjoy dining there. But yeah, we regularly buy our kimchi there because it's quite inexpensive for that one big tub, the microwavable tubs. It'll only cost you 100 pesos. And I think that is already quarter of a kilo of kimchi. So yeah, they're really very inexpensive, and as I've said, chef's kiss for their kimchi. So yeah, here is actually, I've opened up the pack, and from here it says, "Thank you for trusting." It's in the name of the store. So yeah, here it is. So here is the candle, as you can see. I believe this is the mist, and these would be creams or lotions. We'll figure this all out. All right. So yeah. So we were. So we went to buy kimchi, and then as we were passing by, or we were on our way to Mandawi Centro, so we were tracking down AS Fortuna. So we figured let's stop by the nearest, or we actually have already bought our dumplings in this Chinese convenience store. So we went there to see some stuff apart from the dumplings, to see if we could buy anything new. But then we opted for the dumplings still. And we bought some other stuff from there too. But we went across the other Chinese store right across the street, and we bought some some kind of balls. I'm not sure if those were fish balls or squid balls, but nonetheless, they were good. They were very good. So that is what we had for dinner. Ma-share ko lang. So, if you wanted to share what you had for dinner, go ahead and comment down below so that, we also would be able to, share some food stuff. Some of my friends are asking me to do mukbang videos. We'll see. We'll see if we are able to do that. Medyo kasi yung isang tao dito sa bahay is on a diet kuno. So we'll see. So we'll see if we can, create some mukbang content for you all. Alright, so I'm having trouble opening up. So this is the 3-wick candle that I've ordered. So this is going to be, I believe, candle number 18 in my collection. So I am also planning to do another video showcasing all of my candles. So stay tuned for that. As I am also very excited to show you all my candles. As much as I love burning them, I love my candles. So yeah, here it is. It is in a bubble wrap. So I would like to thank the seller for making this particular purchase really secure and safe. So apart from the box that it comes with, if you purchase single 3-wick candles, so the seller also made sure to have it in the bubble wrap. But of course, it won't get, the worst thing that might happen to the candle. Alright, so here it is. The candle that I've purchased is, I hope that you could all see it. It's Love Always Wins in Sun-Washed Citrus. So I already have the mist. I already have the mist for this scent. And here, so a white wax for this particular candle with a black lid, as you can see. And yeah, I love this. So it's going to go to my collection of candles. I'm not sure if I'm going to burn this. We'll see. But I'm excited to own this particular candle. Alright, so once again, this is Love Always Wins Sun-Washed Citrus in a 3-wick candle. Alright, so let's go to the other, sorry about that, other boxes. I am wanting also to do a little something for you all, but I'm not going to tell you about it yet because there has been a little bump or a little technical issue, but I'll let you know. I'm going to perhaps post a picture in the community tab in YouTube about that, so that you would have an idea. But that is something that I wanted to share with everybody, because apart from this body care collection, the mists, the lotions, shower gels, I also own quite a number of shower gels and candles as well. So I'm trying to venture out to house care items as well from Bath and Body Works. So with candles, well, okay, I'm going to tell you. Sasabihin ko na nga. So it's actually wallflower. So I'm going to test one for you all. So for those who don't know what a wallflower is, or you wanted to know more about wallflowers, so going to do a video of that, and so that I can share with you all what a wallflower is and how to use it. So here. So the other box that I have opened up, well, in this package, it's just in the same package, are lotions. And I am excited because this is from the FIZZ collection. So it's strawberry soda and mango mai tai. There. I already have the mist for strawberry soda, so that should pair with this. And if I am correct, this box here is mango mai tai, the mist for mango mai tai, to pair with that lotion. Alright, so let's see. I love this particular purchase, and because it's really very colorful. The colors are vibrant, and well, apart from the FIZZ collection, Love Always Wins is already a rainbow colored theme to the packaging, because that is actually part of the Pride collection that bathandbodyworks released. So yeah, well, I have a freebie right here. I actually have two. Wow. Okay. So it doesn't have the scents that though, but here are the two decant bottles that the seller gave me as freebies. Let me see if I can figure this two out. Not quite sure. Get into my nose. But anyway, yeah, I got two freebie scents. Could it be mango mai tai as well and strawberry soda? Maybe, because of the colors. I've got pink and yellow. But yeah, so here's the mist. Here's the bottle. And I am excited because well, the first Fruit Fizz scent that I own, which I also reviewed, let me link that right over here. So that's cherry limeade. I also made a review of that scent, and as you know, I truly love that scent. Although, as I've said, fruit scents or citrus scents doesn't last on me that long, but I love cherry limeade. So yeah, here it is. Wow. Okay, so it's mango mai tai. I'm actually excited. I'm excited. Well, I didn't plan this because, as I've said, I'm not sure, or I have forgotten what is in the package that we are going to open. But it seems like I am dressed for the occasion because I'm wearing yellow, and it's mango mai tai. So yeah, so basically that's it. So what we have opened today, if I can carry this with both of my hands. So it's the Love Always Wins 3-wick candle, strawberry soda lotion, and a pair of mango mai tai mist and lotion. Alright, so I believe that should be all. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We'll of course going to do a review of mango mai tai. Once we get to that, I'm also going to do one for strawberry soda because I already have the mist for this particular scent. And I'll show you my collection of all my 3-wick candles. So you all stay tuned for that. My usual uploads are Tuesdays and Thursdays, and of course Saturdays are for unboxing Saturdays. But you know, if I get to film any more content in between, I'll upload them, even if it's not on schedule, so that you know, I could share with you all the Bath and Body Works and even Victoria's Secret items that I enjoy. Alright, so thank you so much everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Alright, those three. And I'll see you all next Saturday. Thank you so much everybody. Bye bye. Till next time.